All right, buddy, I'm gonna have you stand up for me and have you just face this way.
Dr. Josh wanted to try something new with me that he didn't try with my girlfriend, and he wanted to crack my back while I was standing.
Have you had this one?
I think I've had friends try.
Friends do not. Actually, if your friends try this, it's good for me because it's job security. So elbows together for me.
Okay.
Good. And
I felt every vertebrae go, like it was compressed, and then he like released all of them at once. I wasn't sure if I was gonna be able to stand, but I was completely fine. All right, that was a good one.